Hello my friends, this is Lucy. Welcome back. I'm going to be doing the exact same colors as the gorgeous one I did a couple videos back, but on that one I put a thin layer of pillow paint like I did now, and I spun it out. I forgot to put on another layer of pillow paint for my colors to lay on before I made my beautiful side bloom. But the colors turned out so beautiful. But this time, I'm gonna do it the proper way. Well, is it the proper way? How much pillow paint do we need? So I have a thin layer. We're gonna find out. Okay, I'm gonna put a little bit, and I'm gonna spin it out a little bit more. Kind of crooked. Oh well, let me put a little bit more over here because I don't want a thick layer, because then we end up losing so much of the beautiful bloom. All right, well, I'm gonna stick with that. It's about like that now. Wipe my hands off. It gets so messy here. So the colors today, we're going to start off with a custom purple. It's a transparent color. And then Amsterdam Quinacradone Rose. Amsterdam Azo Yellow Deep. Down below we'll have Pebeo Green Blue. And a custom metallic green. And I'll be using Payne's Gray for my cell activator. All right, let's try to do it the same. Purple, not too much. Quinacradone Rose, which I just love. A little bit more. And then Azo Yellow Deep. Okay, my Pebeo Green Blue, I'm going to put down here. And my custom green down here also. Like that. All right. We pop for bubbles. It takes, you have to do something many, many times to kind of get the feel for it, how, when you're doing your technique, just how it feels, and I don't know, what am I trying to say? It takes a while to learn the way that you do it and how you want to do it and tweak it. So that's what I'm trying to do. This is Payne's Gray Cell Activator. I'm going to put it right up here. Okay, big bubble in there. There we go. All right, let's go for it. My blow dryer is the world's smallest little blow dryer. Okay, so it made a couple blooms. The middle one was a little too whitish. And on this one, I started then shaking my blow dryer, and so it kind of made it like roughly, and I like that. And I love this down here, this colors combination. So now, I'm gonna use the straw, see if I can Sorry, my head is right in the way. Just want to get some more cells in there. So let me let that set up a little bit. This color is what I wanted. And now down below, do something like that. I like how the cells are here, purpley. I'm going kind of slow down here to be very deliberate. Okay, I am liking that. Now, you have to be kind of careful there. That's nice. All right. I'm very happy with that. Now I see some bubbles, so let me pop. I hope it doesn't go up too high. Okay. Do I want to do anything else? Oh yes, of course I do. That's what I want to do. There we go. I think I need one more here. Let me clean that up. All right. I'm ready to spin it out. Okay, here we go. Is it center? I think it is. Nice. I do see. See the pillow paint, it just needs to like and I'm sure it will level out also, but okay, let's do it again. Wow, that is so pretty. I could have made it a little bit bigger, a little more paint. Well, let's see. Let me see if I can spin it up a little bit more. Oh yeah, there we go. Oh, I love it. I love it. All right, my hand a little bit. I see some bubbles I need to pop. I'm thrilled with this one. That's nice, because you know they don't always work out. I think next time I'm not going to quite make it go out quite so far, because it really spread out a lot. Now, if you have to pop some bubbles, sometimes hold your hand. Make sure your hands aren't dripping with paint, but hold your hand on something and then you get a little more. Self-control. That green one, let's see if I can put some green paint there. No, not really. Okay, well, I can't help that. Oh, I can always do something like, okay, there. All right, my friends, this is a wrap for this one. I hope you've learned something. I am learning something. Whoop, another little bubble. And I wish you all the best. I wish you God's blessings. And whatever you're doing in life, may you succeed and be full of love and joy and strength and wisdom.